So this video is titled Parallel Lines. Now the last one we did had parallel lines, but maybe this one will do something different. So we have y equals 3x plus 1 for the top equation. We're going to make it an equation, and we're going to graph it. Slope is 3, y-intercept is 1, graph the 0, 1, count up, make your slope 3 over 1. Count up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1, or down 1, 2, 3, back 1. Okay, solid line. It's got the equal to part. Right, so we'll graph that. Okay, now 0, 0 is really close, but I'm still going to use it. I know which side it's on, even though my graph isn't great. Go to the inequality, the original inequality they gave us. Plug in a 0 for y and a 0 for x, and let's see what we get. 0 is greater than or equal to 1. No, that's not true. Okay, so it's going to be this section over here. Okay, so not the 0, 0, not the origin. Okay, now we know they're parallel lines because it told us that in the title here, but if I take my negative 3x plus y equals negative 4, and I put the 3x on the other side, I'm going to have y equals 3x minus 4. So it's going to become a positive 3x. So I can see that the slopes are the same. So I'm going to get parallel lines. The y-intercept is different. Now that's important because it's not the same line. Okay, so 0, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 down there. And my slope is up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. These are 1, 2, 3 over 1. Really close together. Not much space in between. Solid line or dotted line? Solid line. You always have to check. It's got the equal to part. Okay. Hopefully they look pretty parallel. Okay. I'm still doing it the same way. Now try to ignore the blue. I'm going to use the origin again, 0, 0. I go to the original inequality, plug in a 0 for x, a 0 for y. I get 0 is greater than or equal to negative 4. That is true. So yes, 0 is greater than or equal to negative 4. So it's going to be this side of the line. Okay, so let you think about that a minute. 0, where's the origin? Okay, the origin worked, so it's to the, I guess, left of the line. Now, this time we're not going to get no solution. There is a section where both blue and green points exist. And so we need to shade that in with our highlighter. And it's going to be right along that boundary line and then everything over here. Okay, so that's the solution. It's not no solution this time, even though the lines were parallel. There is a section of points that satisfy both the top inequality and the second inequality, the bottom one. Okay, so a little bit different, but still fun.